Smartsheet already keeps your work organized, but with Zapier, it doesn't just manage projects, it runs them for you. Zapier lets you link Smartsheets with thousands of other apps, so your data updates, notifications, and reports all stay perfectly in sync without any manual work. You can automatically create new rows when a form is submitted, update task statuses when deals close, or even send a custom alert in the moment something changes on your sheet. Let me show you an example of how this could work. To do this task, I want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, when a new subscriber is added into MailerLite, create a new subscriber row in Smartsheet with their name, email, and group, and it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is MailerLite. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my steps. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up MailerLite, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your Smartsheet account just like you did with your MailerLite account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps fields. Copilot will automatically fill out our spreadsheet details using our MailerLite data, and will have pre-added the name, email, and group as specified in our Copilot prompt. With that, I can also select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Great! Let's check our Smartsheet account to make sure this works. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new subscriber is added into MailerLite, a row will automatically be created in Smartsheet as well. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click on the link below, and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.